Did you know? If you start running for just 30 minutes starting today, after 30 days, not only will your body change, but your entire way of thinking will too. This isn't just an ordinary workout, it's a way to awaken the superpower within you. Because after 20 minutes, a chemical explosion occurs in your brain that will never let you feel tired. Let's start the video. The biological shift. The first 10 minutes of running is a war between your willpower and your body. As your heart rate increases, your body activates emergency mode and fully opens up your blood vessels. This begins flushing out toxins from every corner of your body through sweat. After 15 minutes, your body stops using glycogen and starts burning stubborn fat directly for energy. This is the moment your metabolism hits rocket speed, the effects of which last for the next 24 hours, even after you finish running. Runner's high and mental magic. After 20 minutes of running, a kind of magic happens that science calls runner's high. Your brain releases hormones like endorphins and anandamide, providing a natural sense of joy and peace far greater than any artificial substance. This roots out your stress, cortisol, entirely. By the 30-minute mark, a protein called BDNF is activated in your brain, which helps create new brain cells. This means after running, you become smarter, calmer, and more creative than before. The invisible transformation, the long-term glow. A 30-minute run isn't just a weight loss game. It is the cheapest anti-aging medicine available. People who run daily experience increased oxygen flow to their skin, resulting in a unique glow, and their confidence skyrockets. It makes your heart so strong that the risk of a heart attack is cut in half. When you complete this 30-minute challenge every day, your subconscious mind begins to believe that you can accomplish any difficult task in the world. So conquer tomorrow morning's laziness. Lace up your shoes and head out for just 30 minutes. Remember, the journey to greatness always begins with a single small step. Are you ready to start this journey tomorrow? If you are, write "I am ready" in the comments and share this video with someone you want to see fit. Don't forget to subscribe. An even bigger secret will be revealed in the next video.